Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share this stamp set with you because it's amazingly awesome. That's all I can say. It is called, and I'm just going to jump right in because I can't handle it. It is called In My Book. In My Book. And it's all about the books and reading and things like that. So let's jump in. So, in my book, you're a classic. Read, relax, repeat. Our friendship is a bestseller. Stay novel. Get it? Stay novel. Hope your birthday is wait, hang on. Hope your birthday is a real page turner. Let's turn the page together. And then you're getting this stack of books. You're getting an open book. You are getting an open book that's flat, and you're getting a kitty cat. And when you see all the samples my design team made, you're going to fall in love. But my friends, there are more. So add on to your collection because this is the beginning of the collection, but there are so many more other items that go with this collection that you're definitely going to want to add on. So here we have all that. Oh, and there's a mini open book and a mini little flower to stamp on the back of your cards. Now, of course, this is what my Stamp Club members are getting. The Stamp Club is only $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set each month and all of the club benefits. Now, some people love stamps, but they say to me, Stephanie, there's no way in the world I'm going to get my scissors out and try to cut those because it's called fussy cutting, but really I call it fuzzy cutting because it does not ever look very well. So my friends, there is also the Die Hard Club. You get the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but the dies that match. And you're getting a lot of dies this time. They're kind of large and in charge, but you know what? You need it. And what's funny is the kitty cat, you can use totally separate. The cat does not have to have anything to do with the books, but I just felt like, you know, when you think about books, you think about cozy and cuddling, and I thought of a cat. So that's where I got that. There you go. Also, you're going to get a little postcard that shows a couple ideas, tons more ideas on our website. And it's going to show you the collection, the entire collection, so you can get an idea of what you want to add on extra. So also, my friends, also, ding, 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 Stamp and Die Hard Club members. Stamp and Die Hard Club members are getting a freebie this month. I'm going to show it to you and explain it to you. So if you do not want to know the freebie, fast forward really quick, okay? But if you don't watch this part, it's not going to make sense to you, so you're going to have to come back later and watch it, so you might as well watch it now. What is it? This is by popular request from Dina, one of my, I guess I call her my creative hand, and it's kind of funny, but it's kind of needed at the same time. This is one of those dies you're never going to put away. Just keep it in a special spot because, and I'm going to just lay it down right here, and I'm calling it the eyes have it because it's all eyes. That's all it is it's a bunch of eyes that fit all of our, I mean, hopefully not all, hopefully all, but probably not all, but like for our little turtle or any of our critters or anything like that, because sometimes you just need eyes, right? So I tried to do every single size I could find. Some of them I even did 3 instead of 2. So if you lose one, because some of them are real little, but it's all about the eyes. The eyes have it. And I just wanted to make sure that you had eyes for everything. And Dina really requested this one. She's like, sometimes I just need eyes, which is kind of funny, huh? So that is the freebie this month. So you're going to keep this one completely separate from everything because it goes with all of your dies, right? Now, let's jump in and look at some samples because I'm in love with some of these. So here we go. Here is a 5x7 decal edge. Look at that cute little kitty sitting on top of that book. Hope your birthday is a page turner. Isn't that adorable? I love that. In my book, you're a classic. Isn't that awesome? Perfect for those that love to read. Here's a beautiful one. Oh, and this has a sneak peek on it from other items in the collection. Fueled by books and coffee. Look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? I love that. Ooh, here's one using our oval heart A2 background. Look at how cute that is. Read, relax, repeat. I love it. I love it. Oh, or get a whole bunch of kitty cats together. I think that is so cute. I love reading. Isn't that sweet? Hope your birthday is a real page turner. Our friendship is a bestseller. I love that. Ooh, or go a little bit more simple, but not, right? So this one seems like it's simple. There's a lot going on, but it's so classically beautiful, right? So we have our reverse corner stitch dots, rectangles. Then we have a scalloped edge or a circle dot, circle, and then I love reading. Isn't that cute? Oh, look at the little kitty cat. Look at the little cat. Oh my goodness, so cute. With a cute little, you could add a little gift card in there if you want to. Ooh, or add our kitty cat to a flip it. Look how fun that is. And dun 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 dun, you can write a hidden message. Isn't that adorable? Now, club members, you know the deal. You know yours are already on their way to you. Stamp Club and Die Hard Club gets up extra early on the 1st of every month and gets those out into the post office to get sent to you automatically. Now, if you're not in the club, you're missing out, right? Now, you can be in the club for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month. So you would get this sent to you automatically each month. It's always a brand new one. I design new ones every month. You're not going to get something we released 3 years ago, right? Because no, it's always brand new. And it's always very general in theme. I'm not going to send you a gorilla wearing a ballerina suit on a unicycle, right? That's very specific. It's always going to be very general in theme. Also, if you're a club member, you get a 15% discount. Some people get 20% depending on how many clubs they're in, but you can get a 15% discount off of our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Well, does that include the fabric storage boxes? Yes. Does that include the fold-its? Yes. Does that include cardstock? Yes. Does that include storage? Yes. Everything. Cardstock, adhesive, everything. No exclusions. Online classes included. Everything is included, right? Then you also get freebies every couple months. So you're getting that little eye dye, you never know what kind of little extra goodies I'm going to send out to you. Also, you earn club points on every shipment. Also, on your year anniversary, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. It's like I'm paying you to be in our club. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. If you're not in club, just go click on join the club and just watch the video. It explains everything. Also, my friends, if you are in the Stamp and Die Hard Club, you need to go check out the entire collection in my book, because there are a lot of extra add-ons that you're definitely going to want to check out. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.